Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the rolling hills, lived a poor but content farmer named Henry. One day, Henry discovered a peculiar egg hidden in his henhouse. This was no ordinary egg, but a golden one, shimmering with an otherworldly glow. Intrigued, Henry decided to care for the golden egg, hoping for a miracle. Every morning, he would tend to the egg with utmost care, ensuring it was in the warmest spot and safe from harm. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Henry waited patiently, his heart filled with excitement, hoping the golden egg would hatch and reveal a magical creature. But alas, the egg remained unchanged, and the days continued to pass. One day, a fellow villager approached Henry. "Why waste your time with that golden egg?" the villager scoffed. "You could be using your energy to grow more regular eggs and earn a living." Henry, however, was undeterred. He believed in the magic of the golden egg and the potential it held. "I will continue to care for it," he said, "for I believe the golden egg will bring me something truly special." Months turned into years, and still, the golden egg remained unchanged. Some days, Henry felt disheartened, but he never gave up hope. He continued to tend to the golden egg, nurturing it with love and care. Then, one fateful morning, the golden egg cracked open, revealing a tiny, radiant golden chick. The villagers gathered to see the miracle that had finally hatched. The golden chick, with feathers that glowed like the sun, grew to be the most beautiful creature they had ever seen. The chick's golden feathers shimmered with an ethereal light, and it laid golden eggs each day. Henry's fortune transformed overnight, and he became the wealthiest man in the village. But more than the wealth, Henry cherished the lesson he learned. The golden egg taught him the importance of patience and persistence. It reminded him that sometimes the most incredible things take time to come to fruition. From that day forward, Henry shared his newfound wealth with his fellow villagers, ensuring that they too could live happy, fulfilling lives. And whenever he looked at the golden chick, he was reminded of the magic that can happen when you believe in something and hold on to it patiently, no matter how long it takes. So remember, dear reader, always believe in the magic that lies within the things you hold dear, and have patience as the magic unfolds. It may take time, but it will be worth the wait.